You are welcome. How to make cow leg or moo leg soup. The ingredients that you may need are on your screen. First, we are going to boil water. After boiling the water, switch off the fire and put all the cow leg into the boiled water and cover it. This method is going to clean the cow leg well and also going to remove some unwanted fat from the cow leg. Saturated fat naturally occurs in red meat and dairy products, which can increase risk of breast cancer, stroke, heart attack, and other heart diseases, blood pressure, etc. If you are a lover of red meat and other dairy products, please be careful of how you eat it regularly. It can put your life in danger. We are in the process of preparing the cow leg soup. After soaking or putting the cow leg in the boiled water for some time, you can see some suspended fat on the water. Throw everything away, excluding the cow leg. We are going to need it for the soup. After throwing the suspended fat in the water and on the water away, the value is the same. We are going to wash it again. It would be good to use warm water to wash it again. It is true that technology has made food in abundance and cheap, but it is also true that it has made food tasteless. The food we used to eat in the olden days tastes better, but the food that has been improved upon today needs more onion, more ginger, more garlic, more salt to somehow taste a little bit better. For spicing the cow leg, I'm using 1 big onion, ginger, 3 pepper, 4 garlic, and then add water to help the blender to blend it. Blend it fico till it becomes smooth. So in spicing up the cow leg, I added 3 pepper again, 2 big onion, 5 fresh tomatoes, and then I added this vegetable. This vegetable, please, I don't know its name. This is the brother of cucumber. This is not cucumber, but this is the brother of, they are from the cucumber family. I don't know its name. If you know its name, please write it in the description. Hey, the video, write it in the comment section for me. After adding your natural blended spices, add salt to it according to how you want it to be. Put it on fire and cover it and let it cook on a medium heat so that the spice can go on it well. Cow leg is very stubborn, so you would need more charcoal or more energy or more fire to cook it. After it has been cooked for some time, we are going to blend the tomatoes and the cucumber brother. This is not cucumber, but this is the cucumber brother or the cucumber sister. It is from the cucumber family. If you know its name, please write it in the section or in the comment section for me. I blended the fresh tomatoes, the pepper, and the cucumber brother. Then I'm going to blend the big onion separately. Add little water to help the blender to blend the onion. After blending the onion and looking at the thickness of the soup, everybody has a choice of how he or she wants the soup to be, so add little water according to how you want it to be. After adding the blended ingredient together, now you are going to cook it for maybe 2 or 3 hours. After cooking it and realizing that it is getting softer, you can add your okra if you are okra lover. This is the basic formula for preparing cow leg soup internationally. If today is your first time of hearing self-rebuffal, please Miss Ray subscribe for me. You are welcome.